Hi there. In this lecture, we will be looking at the basic interface of an Excel workbook. So let's get started. So this entire document that you're viewing on screen is called an Excel workbook. An Excel workbook has multiple sheets which you can use to store data of any type. So a sheet in a workbook is essentially made up of columns from A onwards and rows which are numerical from 1 and beyond. This rectangle which is highlighted here, it is called a cell. If you look at the top of the interface, you have different tabs like File, Home, Insert, Page Look Layout, Formulae, Data, Review, and so on. These are all nothing but a collection of similar functions. So within each tab, you have different sections where functions of a similar kind are grouped together. So under the Home tab, you have a clipboard section, you have a font section, you have an alignment section, you have a number section, and so on. So this box here is called the name box. It indicates the place where your cursor is right now. The cursor is the small rectangle. So it is right now in column G, row 1. So the address of this box is G1. You can use this to move your cursor to a particular cell that you would want to. Let's say you want to move it to A15. You type in A15, press the enter key, and then it moves to A15. This here is the formula bar. So this is where you can enter your text, your data, your formula, etc. Well, that's it for this lecture. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.